Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research more friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Blood, sweat, and tears be like. It means putting in lots of hard work, determination, and perseverance to achieve something important. It's usually a figure of speech, not mean literally. 1. Practice again. Reason great skills come from repetition. 2. One more try. Reason success often comes after many attempts. 3. I didn't quit. Reason persistence beats giving up. 4. Small steps every day. Reason tiny progress adds up over time. 5. My alarm and I have a daily battle. Reason reaching goals often starts with waking up early. 6. My notebook is full. Reason learning takes time and effort. 7. Sweaty but smiling. Reason hard work can feel rewarding. 8. Mistake, that's part of training. Reason every mistake teaches a lesson. 9. Almost there. Reason staying motivated keeps you moving. 10. This level won't beat me. Reason challenges helps you improve. 11. Back to the drawing board. Reason better plans leads to better results. 12. I earned this. Reason achievement feels special when you work for them. 13. Coffee meet determination. Reason a little energy can help start the day. 14. Slow progress is still progress. Reason every step counts. 15. The finish line is getting closer. Reason consistency pays off. 16. No shortcuts today. Reason good results usually take effort. 17. Keep your eyes on the goal. Reason focus helps overcome distractions. 18. Try, learn, repeat. Reason improvement comes through practice. 19. Teamwork makes a tough job easier. Reason working together can achieve more. 20. Every champion started as a beginner. Reason everyone learns from the beginning. 21. Take a break. There, keep going. Reason rest helps you stay strong. 22. Hard today, easier tomorrow. Reason practice builds confidence. 23. The challenge accepted. Reason a positive attitude makes a difference. 24. Celebrate small victories. Reason every milestone deserves recognition. 25. The dream is worth it. Reason big goals inspires hard work. 26. Keep climbing. Reason success is reached one step at a time. 27. Failure isn't the ending. Reason it can be the beginning of improvement. 28. Effort beats excuse. Reason taking action creates opportunities. 29. Today's work builds tomorrow's success. 30. Blood, sweat, and tears. Then happy victory dance. Reason reaching your goals feels even sweeter after working hard for it. Every achievement has a story behind it. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Your blood, sweat, and tears today can become tomorrow's success story. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.